And now we got to walk around. Here we have the new paint. This is factory colored black diamond pearl, but I have customized it with gold pearl as well from House of Color. Tinted windows, tinted windshield all the way around. Smooth top. Look down the sides. The tail lights are off my 96 that I kept after I swapped them out to the JDM lights on that car. There's the new center panel, as this one was cracked originally on this car. The exhaust is just a catback with gritty SP1 mufflers and red painted tips. Looking down the car itself is, let's open the doors, take a look in. Inside we have gray interior, no rips, no tears in the seats, the door panels, and it has installed courtesy lighting underneath of it, and also courtesy lighting for the floor. Inside have swapped out the back panels behind the seats with the suede out of the twin turbo. The twin turbo was a 93, this car is a 91. Stitch boots with brand new shift knobs. This is where I decided to put the boost controller, right where the clock goes, because the clock is stupid in both cars and would intermittently work. Here's that average little Alpine CD player. As you can see, things in pretty good condition. That pod is brand new because it was broke in this one, and super expensive at 90 bucks for that damn pod. It's a non-airbag car, as you can see. Door panels, roof panel, all great, intact, non-smoker vehicle. Door handles have been body color matched as well. This piece is right here. I just need to cut and buff this a little bit, and then it'll be done. I've already done the other side. This needs to be taped down as well. Inside, the hazard switch doesn't seem to operate. I've swapped it out with 3 different working units, and hazard does not work. So this is a new hazard that's in the box, and it controls strobe LEDs that are installed on the bumpers, front and rear. You just hit the button and it turns on the flashers. Turn it off. And back here we have a custom made panel here. This is the amp cover. Underneath you have your amplifier and all the wonderful wiring and that kind of stuff, all hidden out of sight, out of mind. Let's walk around and open it up. Here's from this side, you can see the LED lighting underneath, lighting up that portion there. Look inside, all the gauges, everything in here. Opted not to have the twin turbo, as that boost gauge that's in there is not accurate to begin with, and I have an electronic one to control with. Here is the current miles, right there. That is 4,741 miles. I changed out this with a new odometer at time of swap, And the entire chassis and all the suspension and stuff underneath is that many miles on it. Oh. Of course I didn't pop that. Didn't pop the trunk. And here we go. We got the trunk. There's some cargo cover. Everything's good under there. Tinted windows. The red Z stitched. And I will find this center panel. It was cracked in this car and was not acceptable to keep, so I need to find a new center panel for it. Other than that, that's kind of that. Look underneath, and you can take a look and see that there is new AGX suspension and IKEA formula upper control arms and lots of goodies underneath of there. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. Here is a good example of a good built car.